guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and in today's video I'm going to show you a look using this palette right here, which is from NYX. I actually have this palette for a while now, but I never really got the time to play with this. I mean, so many brands are coming out with new palettes, so I never really got the time to play with it. So today was the day. I was really excited. I think the palette looks amazing. It has a lot of matte eyeshadows, and I think it actually has like a lot of possibilities because there are so many different colors. So yeah, this is the look that I created today. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I know it's quite dramatic, but sometimes I kind of like to go a little bit extra. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So now the first product I'm going in with is the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid using a Sigma P84 brush. I have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty products and Sigma brushes. I'll put it down in the description bar. So I'm using this brush to blend this all over the eyelid. Then now I'm taking this light color and I'm going to use a blending brush to kind of dab this all over the eyelid. This will make sure that the eyeshadow primer will be locked in place. Then now the first color I'm going in with is this warm orangey brown shade. I'm taking my Sigma E40 brush and I'm going to start blending this all over in my crease. Then now for the next color I'm going to use the black eyeshadow that comes in this palette. And I'm using my Suiva 238 brush and I'm going to create a line where I want the cut crease to be. And then now to blend this out, I'm taking my Morphe E36 brush and I'm dipping this in this dark brown color. I'm going to blend this right on top of the line that I just created with that black and blending it a little bit upwards, but just like the slightest amount of upwards. Then I'm taking this red brick color and I'm going to use that in my crease as well. I'm using that same brush from Morphe brushes, which is in the number E36. And for my concealer, I'm going to use this NYX HD concealer in the color 02 Fair. And I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I'm first going to apply a little bit of this on the back of my hand and then applying it on the eyelid. So now I'm taking that black eyeshadow again and I'm taking the Sigma Beauty Precise Lip Line Pencil and I'm going to use this to create a line underneath the cut crease line I created to create a sort of double cut crease. Now when I'm finished with that, I'm going to use that black eyeshadow again and create a winged line at the end. So now for the next color, I'm going back in with that brick reddish shade, and I'm going to press this at the outer end and at the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm going to kind of blend this towards each other. Oh, and I forgot to apply black eyeshadow at the inner corner area, so I'm going to do that as well. Then I'm taking this orangey yellow color with a Suiva 238 brush, and I'm going to apply these colors on the eyelid as well. Then now for the inner part of my eyelid, I'm going to use a eyeshadow from NYX as well, which is called Easy Rider, and it's one of their baked eyeshadows. Then I'm going in with this NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm going to create a line above my lash line, just because this will hide the lash band of the fake eyelashes that I will apply later on. Then now I'm going back in with that concealer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to use it to create a sharp line underneath my eye look to kind of hide the fallout that I have right here. Then now for my waterline, I'm taking this Berry M Bold Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil, and I think this is a really nice pencil. I've been using it now a few times, and it stays perfectly in the waterline, and also it's really affordable, which is really nice. Then now I'm going back in with that black eyeshadow and a Suiva 238 brush, and I'm going to press this color underneath the low lash line. Now I'm going to take that orangey yellow shade again, and I'm going to blend this all the way underneath my low lash line using a Morphe E36 brush. So now that I have finished my eyes, I'm going to use this lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics in the color Sugar Glass, and I'm going to line my lips. Then now on top of that, I'm taking this lipstick from Tarte Cosmetics. This one is called the Namaste, and it's one of their lip paints. So it's kind of like a texture that dries matte. And this shade is actually really beautiful. It's like a pink nude, and that's what I really like. So because my lips are really dry at the moment, I am going to use some gloss on top of it, so you can't really see like the dry texture of my lips. So I'm going to use this lip gloss from Dose of Colors in the shade Goalz, which is one of my favorite lip glosses. I'm going to apply it on top of it. Then now to bronze up my face, I'm going to use this bronzer from Revolution, and I'm going to use this big brush from Morphe and Jacques O'Neill in the number G802, and I'm going to apply this on the cheekbones, on my forehead, and a little bit underneath the jawline. Then now for my blush, I'm taking this blush from Rimmel London in the shade Sweet Cheeks. And I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, I just realized that I forgot to apply highlighter. Normally I always do this before applying blush because I feel like if I do highlighter first and then apply blush, I can kind of blend the blush into my highlighter. But it's fine, I will do it afterwards now instead. So for my highlight, I'm taking this palette from Revolution and I'm going in with this color right there, which is so beautiful. I'm taking my Morphe and Jacques O'Neill brush in the number G806. And this is just a really nice highlighter and it isn't that expensive as well. The only thing is that I wouldn't like use the other shades. Well, I could use that like as a blush topper, but not really for my highlighter. So this is the only color that I would really like. But if you're really pale, you might as well like that one. Okay, so I am now going to try that one right there and apply it on the same brush and apply it a little bit on my cheeks just to see how it looks. A little bit more. Okay, I think that's actually pretty. I don't want too much shimmer on my cheeks. I mean, like, I already have a lot of shimmer over here. If I would have like a lot of shimmer over there as well, it might be too much, but this is quite nice. I didn't apply it too much, thankfully. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This will be really helpful for my YouTube channel. I really like how it turned out. I know this is super dramatic, but now and then I just like to do more of these bold type of cut crease. I feel like cut crease is kind of my signature look, but when I do them too often, people kind of start complaining on my channel. So I'm trying to switch it up more with like softer looks, smoky eyes. But my favorite thing to do is definitely a cut crease. I just feel like with cut creases I can get like most creative. But yeah, I really hope you guys like how it turned out, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!